Dear student, how are you everybody? I am fine. Welcome to back our English class. Today I discuss about class 8 English first paper. So let's go to discuss about our English class. Today we discuss about our English class of English first paper. So let's discuss about our class. Welcome to my class, dear students. I am Jil Rahman, Assistant Teacher, Tomija Khatun Girls High School. Today, our today's lesson is cuisine, Bangladeshi cuisine, Unit 1, Lesson 5. Look at the picture, think and discuss in one words. Keywords. We know cuisine. Look at the picture. What do you mean by cuisine? Yes, cuisine means food, gastronomy. As for example, we can say one sentence is Bangladeshi cuisine is rich in taste. Next, platter. Platter means dish or tray. How beautiful the platter looks. Next, molasses. Look at the picture. How beautiful the molasses is. Molasses means syrup or treacle. Many kinds of cakes are made with molasses. Dear student, open your book at page number 8 and listen to me. Bangladeshi cuisine is rich and varied with the use of many spices. We have delicious and appetizing food, snacks and sweets. Boiled rice is our staple food. It is served with a variety of vegetables, curry, lentil soup, fish and meat. Fish is the main source of protein. Fish are now cultivated in ponds. Also, we have freshwater fishes in the lakes and rivers. More than 40 types of fishes are common. Some of them are, look at the picture. Wow. That is carp, rui, katla, magur. And what is this? Wow, that is shrimp and shutki or dry fish. And now pantabak is tasty with, how nice the picture is. We called it fried hilsha, hilsha slice, pickle, onion, lentil soup. Panta is a kind of sweet is made from, wow, how nice. That is sugar syrup, molasses, rice flour, and last of all, milk. And next, how tasty and delicious the pitha is. During winter, Pitha Utsav, meaning Pitha festival, is organized by different group of people. That is Rasgulla, Sandesh, Rasmalai, Gulab Jam, Kalo Jam, Chom Chom. All kinds of sweets are milk-based sweets. Okay, dear student, now word meaning. Cuisine, a style of cooking. Appetizing, savory. Cultivate, farm. Type, species. Relatives, kith and kin. Okay, now we can see that is the individual work. We study our lesson 5, Bangladeshi cuisine. So in this passage number B, we can realize many things, that is Bangladeshi cuisine. Now, true or false? If false, give the correct answer. Our foods are rich because they have a lot of oil in them. Number 2, we get protein mostly from fish. Number 3, on Pohela Boishakh, the traditional food is steamed rice and fried hilsa. Number 4, Pitha Utsav takes place almost all the year round in Bangladesh. Number 5, sweets are now much appreciated by the people of Bangladesh. Here, if the correct answer, you can say or write true. And if the false answer, you can say it false or write false information. Okay? More individual word. Discuss and answer the following question. Describe a Bangladeshi food that you like best. Number 2, make a list of the things you and your partner eat every day. Make 2 lists of food eaten by the urban and the rural people. Number 4, we are there difference between the food eaten by the urban and the food eaten by the rural people. Okay. Next, our homework. Our homework is what has made Bangladeshi food so special. Number 2, where do we get the fishes from? Number 3, apart from fish, what other foods do we eat with rice? Number 4, why are sweets an important part of our life? Okay, dear student, no more today. See you again. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much. Okay.